present our skin file, this normal skin file uses formatting detail for a label and formatting detail for a button. So whatever page uses this skin file, that page can support only one type of label in it. Suppose if you want a page that need two type of label, say a header label with some bigger font and other labels with a normal sized font. So that may not be possible by using this skin file. So in order to support that, we need to add one more label property here with a different font size. So that time we should use this SKinId. I just added SKinId normal, as I am going to add one more label formatting here. So that time for that label I will use a different SKinId, say a header. So I'm just adding a label. Then I'm setting font size as X large. So now we know how it looks. So the font is somewhat big. So I'm going to source and just hunting down the recur property. So we will use this particular property in the skin file. So for now I will place that here somewhere. Then we'll copy this. I want both label to appear in the same color, and the only difference I want to see is the size. So first I am giving a SKinId as header. After that I'm just adding one more property, font size. So that's all. Our skin file is ready. Now I'm going to the default ASPX page and I'm just removing this. I'm going to design view. Now we will add three labels. One is a header label and the other one is normal label. So what I'm doing is first I'm adding a label here. This will appear as a header label. If my skin file has the height detail, we no need to set this height. So we can put a fixed height. It may change. Height also we can include in the skin file to get good uniformity. So at present I skipped that. And then I'm adding second label here. Third one. Okay, now we will go and set the properties for each label. And before that we will check the document property and we see that the theme normally is applied. Now if I go and access the SKinId property, it will show both the SKinIds. The control type is label. So and this property page knows that the skin normally is applied to this page, and it knows that the skin file has a two SKinId for this control type label. So now it displays both. So I need a header for the first one, and for the second label control I need normal skin. And for third control I need normal skin. I'm saving all. So now you can actually render this page. You see the label is taking formatting detail from the skin file. The first label uses the XS large because we said that it should use the skin header, and the other two are using the formatting detail for normal label, since we specify the normal as the SKinId. I'm closing this video for now.